Okay, here goes a startup of the goldstar. You guys haven't seen this air conditioner in months. I have some other videos of the goldstar. Anyway, I had some more videos of the goldstar that I had archived before my channel got deleted that I was planning to post, but it didn't work out too well. So here goes the start of the goldstar. I will not be scrapping this unit, but it doesn't work very well. I might take it with me if I move. I might not, but I'm getting a new air conditioner, a Frigidaire, and I'm gonna be putting it in this window right here. I repainted the window sill or steel, whatever you guys want to call it. Repainted the window sill, so it looks much better. About to be turning on the goldstar. Here we go. Low fan. Low cool. It's pretty fucking loud. She sounds bad. That compressor sounds pissed. Wow. Holy shit, God. That compressor sounds pissed. Wow. Wow, she sounds pissed. Wow. I understand the unit is on the side like this, so it probably doesn't have a lot of oil in the compressor. But holy shit. This thing is mad.